Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Now, I know you're probably thinking, another health facts video? Come on, I've heard it all. But trust me on this one, guys. Today we're diving into some seriously mind-blowing stuff. Things you probably haven't heard before, even if you think you're a health nut. We're talking weird, wild, and wonderful facts about your body and the world around you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and get ready to have your mind blown. Alright, let's jump right into the deep end. Have you ever pulled an all-nighter? Maybe cramming for an exam or finishing a work project? You know that feeling of being completely drained, like your brain is running on fumes? Well, it turns out that pushing your body past its limits of sleep deprivation can have some pretty freaky side effects. And I'm not talking about just feeling a little groggy. We're talking full-on hallucinations. That's right, folks. Staying awake for extended periods, like more than 24 hours straight, can actually make you see things that aren't really there. It's like your brain is playing tricks on you. And the science behind it is actually pretty fascinating. You see, when you're sleep deprived, your brain struggles to function properly. It's like a car running on an empty tank. It starts to misfire and things get a little wonky. Specifically, your brain's ability to process information, to distinguish between what's real and what's not, gets thrown completely out of whack. The result? Visual distortions, strange sounds, even the feeling of things crawling on your skin, all classic signs of hallucinations. It's like your brain is slipping into a mini version of what people with severe mental fatigue experience. So the next time you're tempted to pull an all-nighter, remember this. Not only is it bad for your physical health, but it can also mess with your mind in some pretty scary ways. Okay, let's move on to something a little sweeter, shall we? Honey. This golden liquid isn't just delicious, it's practically immortal. You heard me right, honey never spoils. It's like the ultimate survival food. Archaeologists have actually found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, thousands of years old, and guess what? It's still edible. No kidding. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth does honey stay good for that long? Well, it all comes down to its unique composition. Honey has a remarkably low moisture content, which means bacteria and other microorganisms that typically cause spoilage just can't survive in it. It's like a desert for microbes, too dry to thrive. And if that wasn't enough, honey also boasts natural antibacterial properties, thanks to an enzyme called glucose oxidase. This enzyme produces hydrogen peroxide, which acts as a natural preservative, further inhibiting the growth of anything that might try to spoil the honey party. So, there you have it. Honey, a sweet treat that stood the test of time, literally. Now, for our final mind-blowing fact, let's talk about something truly remarkable. Get ready for this one. Your body actually glows in the dark. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Scientists have discovered that humans emit a very faint light called bioluminescence. It's most prominent around the face, and is thought to be a byproduct of our metabolism, kind of like a biological side effect of all the chemical reactions happening inside us. Now, before you start imagining yourself lighting up a room, I have to burst your bubble a little. This glow is incredibly faint, about 1,000 times weaker than what our human eyes can detect. So no, you won't be replacing your nightlight anytime soon. But still, the fact that we emit any light at all is pretty darn cool. It's like we're all walking around with a hidden superpower, a subtle reminder that our bodies are incredible machines, constantly buzzing with energy, even when we can't see it. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing health facts that you probably didn't know. Who knew that sleep deprivation could make you hallucinate? Honey could last for millennia, and our bodies emit a faint glow. The human body and the world around us are full of surprises, and I'm here to guide you through the most fascinating ones. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious.